Hello everyone, and welcome to English for Fun with teacher Alice. And today let's learn a new letter. Let's start. Can you make the letter sound? I can show you how. What letter shall we know? Let's find out now. And today we're going to learn the letter T. T. This is the capital T. This is the lowercase t. Now you know how T looks like. Let's make the T sound. T, 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 T. T for tiger, tiger. T for t-shirt, t-shirt. T for train, train. T for toy, toy. T for tomato. This is the letter T, T, T. Let's write it down. T, T, T. It's game time. Let's play a game. I spy with my eye a word starting with T. Are you ready? Go! Excellent! It's train, train, train. Let's see the next. I spy with my eye a word starting with T. Can you see it? Excellent! It's t-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. Let's try one more. Are you ready? Go! It's tomato, tomato, tomato. Excellent! And last one. I spy with my eye a word starting with T. T. It's tiger. Excellent. Good job.
T for tiger, tiger, tiger. T for t-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. T for tomato, tomato, tomato. T for train, train, train. T for toy, toy, toy. This is the letter T, T, T. For more videos, it's Teacher Alice with English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye.